Industrialization in Kenya is a key sector inspiring the economic growth. The country's long-term development blueprint, Vision 2030, aims to transform Kenya into an industrialized middle-income country, offering a high quality of life to all the citizens.
We will ensure that going into the future, our industrialization agenda that has been going down, which has gone from 9% to 7%. We have agreed with our private sector that we will re-engineer that space using the products we have, from coffee to tea to avocado to leather to cotton. And we have agreed that industrialization is going to contribute from our 7% at the moment. We want to move it to 20% of our GDP by 2030, because that is the way we are going to add value to our products, we are going to create jobs, and we are also going to create wealth.
Kenya Industrial Research and Development Institute is a national research institution established to undertake multidisciplinary research and development in industrial and allied technologies.
Kirdi, generally, our mandate is to undertake research and disseminate the findings to SMEs. So our main clients are normally SMEs, and our core business is mainly on the value addition on the product.
Kenya Industrial Research and Development Institute branches in Kenya are disseminated in 8 different locations countrywide, with the headquarters in South Sea, Nairobi. Kirdi
Western Region Center covers Kisumu Center. We have Eldoret, which we call the Uasin Gishu. We have Bungoma. Then we have Kisii and Migori Center.
Kirdi Western Region Centre in Kisumu started in the year 1991 with an aim of mainstreaming composite flour from sorghum and millet. Over the years, the centre has grown and recently upgraded its facilities and infrastructure to meet the growing demand for research and development of products and services in the country.
We work with the enterprises, sometimes up to Voi, Taveta County, Migori, Eldoret, and other areas. So, because wherever there is someone who's running an enterprise in food, we find ourselves able to support them. We support them through training, through incubation, as well as through offering them common user facilities, which in our term we call it CMF, Common Manufacturing Facility. So in most of the areas of food, be it baking, be it juice processing, be it sausage making or meat processing, be it dairy, be it soya, be it nuts or oil crops generally. We also have worked a lot with those who are doing chilies, the dried ones, as well as those who are using the cooled ones for export. We have a company which we worked with closely. We were exporting chilies to UK. Now they moved to Nairobi or into their expansion. They are using HCDA facility in Nairobi.
Kirdi Western Region Centre has 5 research divisions, which are Natural Products Research Centre, Agri-Food Processing Technology Centre, Laboratory Services Centre, Electro-Mechanical and Energy Resources Research Centre, and Leather Technology Research Centre. The Agri-Food Processing Technology Centre is charged to conduct applied market-oriented research in food processing, preservation, safety, and national food and nutritional security in support of the food industry.
We are doing soya milk powder. That one is also ready. And we are also doing soya yogurt. We are doing soya coffee as well as soya chocolate. And we'll be working also on the soya flour that you can use in a variety of food products, from baking to making porridge, among others. We have been here from last year, especially with the dried fruits. But now we are almost ready for the market. After KEBS have collected the samples, then we just wait for their feedback.
This center offers its clients opportunities to develop new products, value add on existing ones to fill a specific gap, and meet the micro, small, and medium enterprises object.
My name is Godwin. I am a student currently on attachment. So I am doing coated groundnuts. So coated groundnuts is a mixture of eggs, custard sugar, we have flavor, we are using vanilla, dark, and some baking powder.
The center provides support to the growth of the food and allied sectors in areas of food products and process development, food safety assessment, research and food ingredients processing, technology transfer and incubation of enterprises, packaging and storage.
We offer also incubation services, the common manufacturing facility, as well as trainings. Like when we take, for instance, for the trainings, we enhance an idea and then package it so that the person who is undertaking training can understand the concept, can understand the precepts, and also can understand the formulation stages. And then for the incubation services plan, it helps like an entrepreneur develop a product and then also broaden its understanding as well as also enhances its marketability.
The MSMEs undergo training in product development, manufacturing skills, quality assurance and packaging. This is meant to contribute to food security and the application of cost-effective and environmentally friendly and processing technologies.
Also an SME who have been with us here for some time, developing different products. He's been developing dried vegetables for package and sales, which is talking about the local vegetables, spider plant, that is the manabis, osuga, the locals, yeah?
The other division in Kirdi Western Region Centre is the Leather Technology Research Centre, which conducts leather processing and distribution.
My name is Richard Msembi. I work here in Kirdi. I'm in charge of leather production.
Activities in the Leather Technology Research Centre involves tanning of raw hides and skins and finishing the tanned leather to impart to it the specific properties that make it suitable for making particular leather articles.
We set this material because it has some wrinkles, just to reduce the wrinkles. And also, one of the things that we look at the grading, how it was frayed. During the live animal, you find that those defects come after slaughtering. Then after that, once you are doing what we call post-tanning process, after tanning, then there are those operations which are done in a specific leather, depending what type of leather one wants to make, or the end products you want to make.
The leather development process undergoes various stages. Here, the material known as wet blue is first taken through a tanning drum to convert it into leather. It then undergoes retanning, where additional tanning agents are added to impart properties and also neutralize the acids in it.
Normally, we receive our materials from clients at wet brew level. Then from wet brew, we are able to process it from wet brew to finish the leather and leather products.
The leather is softened by staking.
Staking is just to break the fibers and also to make the leather soft, as soft as possible, depending the specific function that is going to do during the end product. So normally we use this machine, it's called a staking machine, whereby we insert the leather there, then that machine vibrates, it breaks now the fibers.
What follows is buffing to remove defects such as scars and bite marks.
Buffing machine means that we are laying the layers of the leather. Like this one now, it is now crushed. And the buffing machine, inside here we have some paper, which means that some paper is removing the grain surface so that the pigment, ile dawa ambayo inafaa ikuje hata kama ni maji, itaingia kwa hiyo shimo.
It is then left to dry, ironed and eventually taken for measurement, ready for sale.
This machine is able to measure the surface area, then it's able to indicate the size of that material.
The finished leather is then taken to SMEs for product development in the Kirdi Western Region Centre Leather Crafts Workshop, which is furnished with the latest technology to support leather artisans to engage in their crafts.
We are doing this here at Kirdi. The facility, as you can see, a well-equipped facility, and their services are very, very good services. They have most of the machines, which otherwise, if I were to invest, if I would say I will invest, is very expensive. These are very expensive machines you see here, and we get them all in one place.
Kirdi Western Region Centre also provides services in analytical, testing, quality control services, as well as pilot trials in industrial processes. This is done in the Laboratory Service Centre. The centre gives priority to small, medium and industrial enterprises and support research and development programs and activities by providing laboratory testing and analysis.
And the Laboratory Services Centre, we are mainly concerned with the quality control. We do quality control in foods, we do industrial waste, and we also do R&D.
The services offered at Laboratory Service Centre include analytical testing, quality control, pilot trials on industrial processes, and capacity building through provision of industrial attachment to students from various training and learning institutions.
So the labs also is actually open for the public, so anybody or institutions can come and then they can be used to test their product. But normally we also use the labs internally, because before, when you're developing a product, you have to ensure that it meets the standards before now it is rolled out.
The Laboratory Service Centre is well established with the state-of-the-art equipment to enable efficient research and development. These include fiber technology system, bomb calorimeter, COD reactor, BOD analyzer, refrigerated benchtop centrifuge, among others. The micro, small and medium enterprises subsector is recognized as the foundation of Kenya's industrial and enterprise development. Kirdi's mission is to undertake industrial research and transfer innovative technologies for socio-economic development. Kirdi's activities are guided towards achieving the Kenya's 2030 vision. The institution's strategic plan 2021 to 2026 provides a roadmap to guide its aspirations, programs, projects, activities and initiatives, and its endeavor to support the country's development agenda.